Welcome to my channel Skyward Stories. There are certain phrases a man can speak that bypass a woman's logical mind and slip directly into her emotional core. Most men will never learn them because they require a rare combination of confidence, mystery, and emotional awareness. But when you speak these forbidden phrases with intention, a woman feels something she can't fully explain, an instinctive pull toward your presence. Today, I'll reveal the 5 phrases that awaken a woman's deepest attraction, even when she's trying to hide it. Before you hear these phrases, you need to understand something powerful about female psychology. Women are not drawn to words themselves, but to the man who knows how to use them. She responds to tone, timing, and the energy behind your expression. A phrase doesn't seduce her. Your grounded masculine presence does. These forbidden lines simply unlock what is already building inside her: curiosity, tension, and the intoxicating feeling that she's dealing with a man who knows his value. The first forbidden phrase is subtle yet devastatingly effective. I like how you think. Women are constantly judged on their looks, their habits, their decisions, but almost never on their mind. When you say this with relaxed confidence, it awakens a part of her that craves recognition for her inner world. She feels seen in a way most men never bother to look, and that emotional validation pulls her closer to you without her fully realizing it. But the second phrase creates something even more addictive: emotional suspense. When you lean in slightly and tell her there's something intriguingly dangerous about you, her mind lights up with curiosity. She wonders what you see, what you're hinting at, and why she suddenly feels this magnetic warmth in her chest. You're not insulting her. You're giving her a taste of mystery, something women find irresistible because it gives them a sense of unpredictable excitement around you. The third forbidden phrase goes deeper, tapping into a woman's desire to feel special, chosen, and acknowledged. Most people don't notice what I just saw in you. Say it slowly with a calm certainty and watch how her breath shifts. You've just separated her from the crowd in her mind. When a woman feels you've discovered something unique in her, she subconsciously wants to know what else you can see. That curiosity becomes emotional gravity. The fourth phrase is more intense, and it activates her instinctive attraction toward authority and certainty. I don't chase, but I notice the ones worth my time. This line instantly positions you as a high-value man with standards. It tells her, without saying it directly, that you're selective, not desperate. And the moment a woman feels she might be the exception to your rule, something shifts inside her. Suddenly, she's evaluating how to rise to your level. But the most powerful forbidden phrase, the one most men are too afraid to use, is this: "You have no idea what you do to me. It's vulnerable, but not weak. It's masculine, but not aggressive. It makes her feel desired while still placing you in the position of a man who's in control of his emotions." This phrase sparks a deep feminine response because it blends tension with honesty, a combination that dissolves her defenses and awakens pure attraction. Now understand this clearly. These phrases only work when they come from a man who is calm, centered, and unbothered. Women feel your energy before they process your words. If you say these lines from a place of neediness, they lose their power. But when you deliver them with slow confidence, eye contact, and a tone that suggests you understand her deeper than she understands herself, she becomes emotionally open in ways she can't logically explain. A woman doesn't fall for a man because he's perfect. She falls because he makes her feel something rare. These forbidden phrases don't manipulate her. They unlock a chemistry that already exists hidden beneath her surface. They activate her emotional instincts, curiosity, desire, admiration, and that breathtaking feeling of being truly seen. And when a woman feels emotionally seen, she becomes naturally drawn toward the man who made her feel that way. You'll notice something interesting when you begin using these phrases. Women will lean in. Their voice softens. Their eyes linger longer. They start asking more questions, giving more compliments, and investing more of themselves into the conversation. That's not an accident. It's biology. When a woman feels emotionally understood, her feminine energy flows more freely, and she subconsciously associates you with emotional safety, excitement, and strength. Three qualities that spark long-lasting desire. And remember, the real power of these phrases lies in their timing. Use them when she's relaxed, when the conversation slows, or when her guard naturally lowers. Women remember how a moment feels more than what is said. So create moments, speak slowly, touch her hand lightly, and allow silence to work in your favor. Seduction isn't speed, it's pacing, tension, and the gentle confidence of a man who knows he doesn't need to rush anything. If you've reached this point in the video, it means you're not like most men. You're curious, self-aware, and serious about becoming the kind of man who understands women on a deeper level. And if you want to master the art of attraction, psychology, and high-value masculine energy, make sure you subscribe to the Woman Code right now. Like this video and comment your name and country below so I can personally welcome you into this growing community. Women can sense when a man is different, when he's grounded, emotionally mature, and impossible to forget. These forbidden phrases are simply tools that reveal the strength you already carry. Use them with intention and watch how women respond. Not because you're trying to impress them, but because you've stepped into the version of yourself that naturally commands respect, admiration, and desire. This is the essence of irresistible masculine presence.